fifth grader Kyra Carter will get to do something few others will have the chance to do: talk to astronauts aboard the NASA International Space Station. Carter, a student that goes elementary in Belle Glade, was chosen along with 10 other Palm Beach County students to get a chance to ask the crew members questions as the space station orbits over Florida the week of October 29. The 11 students had to submit a 250-word essay to a contest run by the South Florida Science Museum in order to win this opportunity. The topic: why is space? Thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Exploration important, and what does it mean to me? After schools determined the winning essay from their respective campuses, a panel of judges, including local media, astronomers, ham radio operators and school district administrators, decided on the final winners. As 10-year-old Kyra prepares her question for the crew members, we thought we'd ask her a few of our own. And keep reading below to see the essay that Kyra wrote to win the contest. Q. What compelled you to write an essay? What made me write this essay was basically because it was for thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. A grade, Carter said shyly when contacted by phone. But she added, I want to be an astronaut one day. I want to be an astronaut because they get to discover the moon and use different tools. Some of them use telescopes and like spaceships. She said she got to use a telescope for a science project she did in 4th grade. We were looking at how the moon was, she said. Q. When did you decide you wanted to be an astronaut? In 4th grade. I read book about Mae Jemison, and did thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. Made me want to be an astronaut. She was the first African-American woman that went into space. I liked her story that she was brave. She went into space for 8 days. Q. What would you want to explore in space? I want to explore whether people can live on different planets. Maybe Mars. That's mostly my favorite planet. I like the color. Red is my favorite color. Q. Why do you think space exploration is important? It's important because it studies the things going on in space and stars and planets. Q. What do thank you for trying verbose? This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. You think it's like to be on the moon? I think it'd be pretty cool and you get to explore different types of rocks. Q. What do you hope to ask the astronauts? I heard on the news that water was found on Mars. Does that mean people could live there? She later added, I also want to ask where they put their trash. I think they just leave it and it just goes around up in the air. Maybe there's a candy bar wrapper somewhere in space. Q. If it was possible to live, thank you for trying verbose. This recording will go away once the product has been purchased. On Mars, would you live there? I pretty like it well on Earth, she replied simply, adding that she thinks she'll keep living in Belle Glade but would like to explore space on visits. Kyra said she'd done some exploring on Earth, although she said she'd never been out of Florida. Tampa is the coolest city. And Gainesville. I'm going to be a Florida Gator someday, Kyra said proudly, adding that her principal attended the University of Florida. I am